And on the eve of his execution, on the night that they was preparing to kill Peter, the Bible said that the saints of God was on that John Mark's mother house, and they was petitioning on the behalf of Peter. I was out there, but I could hear them in prayer, saying, Lord, deliver Peter. Lord, let Peter free. And while they were praying, the Bible said that the angel of the Lord went into the prison and opened the door. He didn't even have no key, but the Bible said that the doors of the jail came open. And while they was at Mary's house, they're still praying. There was a knock at the door. And then when the person wrote them, when they answered the door, the person on the side said, this is Peter. They were praying, but they wasn't believing, not knowing that God had their back. So when they opened the door, who was standing there? But oh, Peter, I came to tell somebody.